Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair routine for you guys. I'm going to be featuring these products right here. So the brand is Wow Skin Science, and this is a shampoo and conditioner set. I'm also going to be talking about this product. This is also from the same company, and this is a 10-in-1 Miracle Hair Revitalizer. So I'm actually going to get in the shower in this video. Don't worry, I'm wearing a bathing suit top and I'm not showing myself, obviously, because I'm not that kind of girl. But I'm just going to show you like how I use the shampoo and conditioner in the shower, and then I'll show you how I use the hair revitalizer after. So let's get to it. So like I said, this is a shampoo and conditioner set. The shampoo is actually an apple cider vinegar shampoo, and you guys know that I love apple cider vinegar. I love drinking it, I love bathing in it. Apple cider vinegar has so many health benefits, but not only just internal, but external as well. It's so good for your hair, your skin. It's good for a lot of things. So this is a apple cider vinegar shampoo. It is a gentle and natural formula, and what it does, it detoxes your hair. So it's a detox formula for stressed tresses, which I actually have. It has no parabens, no sulfate, no silicones, and no salts, which makes this product even better. So it's actually made with 100% natural and raw Himalayan apple cider vinegar. And what it does is it removes buildup from your scalp, which is really good for promoting hair growth. It also restores shine and smoothness. So one thing I really love about this shampoo is, I don't know about you, and I don't know if you know this about me, but during the winter time, I don't want to call it dandruff. I actually have a little bit of dandruff, but I have a lot of problems with eczema on the scalp. And what happens is I get a lot of, I hate to say, but crust on my scalp, mainly all right up in here, and it's so embarrassing, and I'm always trying to find new ways to tackle this and get rid of it, because if you're out in public, especially like outside in natural daylight, you can see it so clearly and it's so embarrassing. It shows up in little red circles right here, all around my hairline and in my scalp, and it always makes me feel self-conscious, and I just absolutely hate it. So one thing I noticed after using this, and I've only used this maybe 5 times at the most, because it's not something you want to use every day, but this has totally cleared up that problem for me. I've not had that issue one time since I started using this. So that is one of the reasons I absolutely love this product, aside from the fact that it has apple cider vinegar in it. So I'm gonna read the back for you guys just so you can know a little bit more about this product. It says, undo the everyday damages heaped by styling products and dusty pollution on your hair and scalp. That totally applies to me, because you guys know I like to try out a lot of different products, so I'm constantly putting something in my hair. So it was about time to get rid of the buildup and just everything that I've put in my hair. It also says, cleanse your crowning glory with Wow Apple Cider Vinegar Shampoo that comes powered with natural and pure apple cider vinegar derived from genuine Himalayan apples. It's enriched with pure and natural botanicals. It is a sweet smelling shampoo that gently clears up dandruff and cleanses scaly buildup to help your scalp breathe and to leave your hair naturally smooth and shiny. Another thing I can honestly say about this product is it smells so good. It's got a hint of apple, but it's so refreshing and clean smelling, and just using it in the shower is an experience all on its own because it smells so good. And I love good smelling shampoos and conditioners. It's cruelty free, it's formulated in the US, it's 100% vegan, which I know a lot of you will like. Paraben free, there's no alcohol in it, and it's dermatologist tested. So actually I have a few tips if you guys are gonna try this. Before you put it in your hair, make sure to brush your hair out really well before you get in the shower. Then when you get in your shower, get your hair wet, pump some of this product into your hand, massage it into your scalp really well, and then all over the rest of your hair. It lathers up so good for being something that's so natural. And then basically you're just gonna leave this in your hair for 5 minutes. So the reason why you're leaving it in your hair for 5 minutes is because you are letting the apple cider vinegar gently and thoroughly detox your hair and scalp. You can use this at least twice a week. The reason being is because apple cider vinegar is just a little bit drying. So you wanna be careful not to use something like this every day, but it's good to use a few times a week. So if any of you out there have problems with dandruff, or like I said, psoriasis, or just what I explained to you on my scalp, you guys would love this product. It works so well, and I've really benefited from it. So the conditioner is made with organic virgin coconut oil, which is so good for your hair. It's got avocado oil and wheat protein. It's safe for color treated hair, which is really good for me, obviously. It's an intensive conditioning for thin, weak, or damaged hair. So it's really important to use this product after the apple cider vinegar shampoo because it does dry your hair out just a little bit, and this completely restores the moisture back to your hair. Like I said, it has coconut oil in it. So of course it smells like coconuts. So it just smells like you're washing your hair on the beach. So pretty much I just shampoo my hair, and then after I leave that on and then I rinse it, I apply this from root to end. I massage it really good into my scalp and just all over my hair, and then I leave it on for about 3 or 4 minutes. You can leave it on even longer if you feel like you need to. So this conditioner restores smooth shine, silky softness, and thick volume. It contains pure cold pressed coconut and avocado oils, which are rich in healthy vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids that gently penetrates your hair shafts and adds natural thickness and volume to your tresses. Together, these active ingredients give rich, deep, and intensive conditioning to your hair, leaving it smooth, strong, and glossy. So yeah, I really love this conditioner, and I recommend using it after you use your apple cider vinegar shampoo. So this product is really neat. This is a 10-in-1 Miracle Hair Revitalizer, and I know you've heard of a lot of products that are 10-in-1 and all that. And normally they're actually like a creamy consistency that would look more like a conditioner or like a type of leave-in product, but this is actually a clear spray. So it's really cool. I'm gonna give you a little shot. I don't know if you could see that, but it just sprays like water. You could spray it on your hair anytime and it doesn't leave any kind of residue. It doesn't leave it greasy. I mean, it does leave it a little wet, so you just gotta wait for that to dry. But this is a 10-in-1 Miracle Hair Revitalizer. It's a bioactive hair care. It's enriched with premium botanical extracts and vitamins. So here's the 10 benefits of this product. Root to tip frizz taming, stronger roots, which I really need after all of the things I do to my hair. Less split ends, improved lipid barrier, not sure what that is. Visibly improved texture, dandruff control, hair breakage protection, hair fall control, higher luster, and intense hydration. It has no mineral oil or parabens. It's an intensive natural nourishment to revitalize dull, thinning, and lifeless hair. So aside from just spraying it all over my scalp and then massaging it in, I like to also spray it to the ends of my hair, because if it is gonna help with split ends, then girl, I definitely need it there. It says you can spray onto wet or dry hair and just gently massage it into your scalp and along the length of your hair, and then you just leave it on. Like I said, it's not greasy or anything. It actually just feels like you're spraying water on it, except it's got added benefits. So this spray is enriched with 6 premium botanical extracts, safflower oil, amla, I'm not sure what that is, horse chestnut, don't even know what that is, but hey, if it's good for you, that's good. Rosemary, tea tree, and lemon. And it also has several hair-friendly vitamins in it, which is A, B5, B7, E, and F. It says just a few drops massaged into your scalp every day will boost your scalp's blood circulation, which is good for promoting hair growth. It also smooths down rough cuticles and replenishes hair's nutritional needs to revive and revitalize your crowning glory. It's non-sticky, non-greasy, and you can leave it on your hair throughout the day with confidence, which I can honestly say is true because I have hair that gets really greasy easily, I guess you could say. I mean, I could just touch it a few times throughout the day and it's like, bam. So I'm pretty careful about what added products that I put into my hair because I don't want extra greasiness, and this product has never given me that problem, so I really like that. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, my hair care routine using the Wow Skin Science products. If you want to check them out online, I will leave some links down below, but you guys would love these products. The way they smell, the way they work, and the benefits are awesome. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on those notifications so you will be notified every time I upload a video. Leave me some comments down below and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!